Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let's reintroduce you the X-lite X-803 Start Flat Black helmet. Yeah, you get an even better version of their iconic X802, the X-lite X803 is it. This helmet is lighter and more compact than its predecessor. The outer shell is made of multi-axial hybrid fabrics. These are carbon glass and aramid-glass and comes in 3 different sizes. You have to choose wisely. Of course, the X803 is provided with several systems to ensure safety and comfort. Concerning safety, the NERS, Nolan Emergency Release System, will make sure you can remove the cheek pads easily in case of an emergency. To make sure you stay cool in any condition, this helmet is equipped with the RRF racing airflow system. The helmet is equipped with a double-action visor. With a switch on the left side, you can lock the visor in the helmet is equipped. Fully closed position or crack it open on a 4mm gap for city riding and defogging the visor. Furthermore, compared to the X802RR, the eyeport is slightly wider for better peripheral vision, and the chin piece has been elongated slightly to create more room for the driver. The padding, the helmet is removable and washable and has been updated with a net construction. Like all proper racing helmets, the X803 has a double D-ring Chinstrap buckle. Make sure you check out all the graphics and replicas of the X-lite X803 and X803 Ultra Carbon special feature shell multi-axial hybrid fabrics, and the Visor is improved ultrawide with a retented double D-ring padding, removable and washable. This helmet looks awesome, and I will give you so many more videos about the systems. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.